balloons, Melanie.
Balloon fight. No, it's balloon fight.
Where's that?
Lori's gonna take the balloon fight.
I need a video of the balloon fight. What's in your mouth?
Go get blue and yellow. I'll be green and orange.
I just want to see you pummel her in the head again with balloons.
She takes a lot of shots to that.
Are you ready? All set. Go!
Come back. Come fight. Come on, Lori's taping it. Don't run away.
Yo, hit him back, Mel.